guys, welcome back to Business Fundamentals. So I just wanted to tell you about this tool that I use for YouTube called VidIQ. So it's a Chrome browser extension. So all you have to do is go to the Chrome extension store, type in VidIQ, and it's going to pop up. I already have it installed, so of course when you see it, it's going to say add to Chrome. For me, I've already got it, but I just want to point out a couple of things that this tool really helps with. And they of course have a free and a paid version, but I have honestly been able to get a lot out of the free version. Like, I can definitely get you kickstarted, but I can also see the argument for the paid version as well. So there's a few ways in which this tool can help. For instance, if we typed in grow your YouTube channel as a search term, then it's going to tell you how that ranks in terms of popularity and also competition. So when you're playing around with this, with your key search terms, the keywords that you're trying to rank for, you can use this tool as well for free. It also tells you who are the highest ranking YouTube channels that cover this topic, other related opportunities and their related scores, including Google Trends topics that you could cover or do slight variations on. And of course, even with the free version, you can get 25 different Google Trends topics. Of course, as we scroll down here, you can see where VidIQ Pro will give you more of this awesome help when it comes to your video SEO. But like I said, they do give you enough to get you started. So regardless of whether or not you are ready to invest in the pro version or even just get the free version, there is definitely something for everyone using this tool. So this is my new channel, so it only has 5 subscribers. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And it does help you not only on the front of house, but also in the back of house. So I'm going to show you one of my videos and how VidIQ helps me with the SEO. So in the section, which is going to automatically be added as soon as you create an account, it ranks your keywords, and that compares to your tags, and that also compares to your title. And it's going to show you how your video is aligned properly to reach the exact keywords that you're trying to target. Now, they also have some pretty cool stuff when it comes to the keywords. Like, it'll help you generate it'll like prompt you with some keywords maybe you weren't thinking of in the tags. And then there's also the checklist. So the checklist is going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get your videos to rank on YouTube faster. The link is in the description and it's totally free, so you can't afford not to check this out.